Uncle Mark here with another do-it-myself video, just me trying to get some things done, save some money. And I post these because maybe you can benefit from it, maybe you can't. I want to put some deer whistles on my truck. It's a 2013 F-150. I'm hoping that, this will scare away any deer. There's deer around this place. In fact, a buddy of mine just hit a deer here a couple weeks ago. Didn't write it off, but it's going to be a problem getting it fixed. Here's the problem though with these new vehicles. Well, take a look at the front of this thing. I think a lot of these new trucks are going to be the same problem. As I drop my deer thing, where are you going to put this thing? It's, got some space that, I don't know, well, I guess it could sit right there, but there's a little bit of space here, but it's going to stick out like a sore thumb. And I can just see me knocking it off here. Not really anywhere else to put it either. There's nothing down there. That's kind of goofy too. I had an idea though. I was just checking oil. Look at this. I was thinking, what if we mount them on this bracket? Right here. Right about there. Something like that. Put it there so that it can blow. Actually, you can maybe put it lower. We'll put it right there. And see how that works. So if I try and put it on this bracket, I'm thinking down here. Not sure what you want to do is to clean it. So clean it a little bit with some mush spit and then some brake cleaner. That dries really nice and quick. Rinse it a little bit. And then get the right one. I see in the instructions, there's one that goes on one side, one that goes on the other side. So the open one, which is, does that mean the noisy one? Okay, so the one that makes noise is the closed one. If you look in the hole there versus this one, you can actually see light at the end of it, I believe. See in there? This one doesn't do that, but that's the one that whistles. So we'll put the whistle one, which they're saying is the closed one, on the passenger side, so the open one is going to go on this side. Pre-fitted a little bit. I think we're just going to jam around there. It's not rocket science, is it? Or maybe it is. Hopefully it's not going to hit anything. And I have the one on the passenger side too. Sorry about the glare. This is going to work. Clean it up. I'm going to rinse it off with a little bit of my own human spit. Pretty gross. And then we did, it's about in the middle, it's about right there. If you get them backwards, you can switch them around because they're, it's this brand anyway. Let me see. Where are we here? I think a brilliant. Push them down really good. Wiggle them a little bit. I think we're good. Let's take a look at that installation. And here's the other one here. Where are we here? There it is. Let's back up. Did it close? Yes, it did. So we got one right in there. Got one right in there. Maybe the angle's a little bit high. As long as it works. Well, I can't blow that far. Anyway, I'm sure it's going to work. I'd say the angle probably should have been a little more like this. That's what happens when you don't pre-fit. They're going to be fine. But they fit in the grill there anyway. You're not going to knock them off when you wash it or something. What do you think? Comments, criticisms? Well, I see a little problem I had there with the angle a little bit. They're a little bit up place if this was the front of the vehicle. But at 60 miles an hour, those are going to blow. I just suggest maybe I should have looked a little closer or masked them out, and then that would probably be the better idea. Put a piece of masking tape on there, then close the hood, see how it sits, if it's sitting flush or not flush, but horizontal. Anyway, it's just an idea. If you have one of these kind of trucks or any of the new trucks, and where you're going to put your little deer whistles. It'll probably work on a car too, just behind the grill, but somewhere where you can access it to clean it if you need to, but somewhere where you're not going to knock it off.
It goes without saying, but I'll say it anyway. Be careful. Do whatever you can to protect yourself. You can also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you're a new subscriber, you have to ring the bell too. It's a little bell there so that you don't miss any of the latest episodes. It's easy to do.
Ring the bell. Ring the bell.